English to introduce yourself. Hi, hello. Hi, hello. Hey, have we met before? Hey, have we met before? Hello, I think we haven't met before. Hello, I think we haven't met before. Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? Hi, is this the first time we are meeting? Hi, is this the first time we are meeting? I'm John. My name is John. I'm John. My name is John. I'm new here. I'm new here. I have just shifted here. I've just shifted here. I'm from ABC city. I'm from ABC city. Hello, good evening. I'm dash dash dash. Hello, good evening. I'm dash dash dash. What a coincidence! I'm also from ABC city. What a coincidence! I'm also from ABC city. Where are you from, ABC city? Where are you from, ABC city? So, how are you here? So, how are you here? I got an admission in XY University. I got an admission in XY University. I work in a call center. I work in a call center. Your job must be exciting. Your job must be exciting. Oh, I have heard it's difficult. Oh, I have heard it's difficult. Let me introduce you to my friend. Let me introduce you to my friend. Hello, nice to meet you. Hello, nice to meet you. I think I should leave you two alone. I think I should leave you two alone. I will catch you later. I'll catch you later. See you soon. See you soon. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excused. Excused.